Why is yawning contagious? Yawning has always been associated with boredom or drowsiness. But some research has shown that yawning is actually the brain's way of waking itself up. So the next time you talk to somebody and they yawn, think of it as a compliment because their brain is trying really hard to pay attention to you even if they are bored. And that means that their brain thinks that what you are saying is important to them. Which is also why yawning is contagious, because if it's important to them, it's also important to other people. So if other people see them yawn, then their brain starts yawning to wake them up. This is part of something called as echo phenomenon, which is the brain imitating other people's words or actions in an attempt to learn more efficiently.